Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another one. So this is gonna be a quick one, and in this video, I wanted to just go over with you a couple more pointers. Okay, so the use of AI tools has grown significantly over the last couple of years. Now, this is something that is brand new. It's brand spanking new. This is not something that has been saturated on the internet. This is something really new. So you're actually embarking on a cutting edge trend. Okay, this is something that really the people that are pioneering in this industry of the AI world, it's very young people. It's men and it's kids, not I wouldn't say men or women, I wouldn't say kids either. It's actually in between both of those. They're young adults that are dominating this industry. Okay, so it's not little kids yet, and it's not older people yet. It's in between. It's the people that are really dominating this world of AI is the young adults, the up and coming adults in this world. They really understand AI, and it's it just speaks our language. So me personally, I'm in my 30s. I'm in my early 30s, so I fit in the category of a young adult. This is why I love to share my experience with people like you, because maybe you're a little bit older, maybe you're not as young as me, or maybe you are younger than me, but you just need an introduction into this world of AI. So my brain understands AI at a very deep level. So I can help you to also understand this at a very deep level. Okay. Most people around the world right now are going to get left behind, meaning they're not looking at information about AI. They're not researching. They're not trying to start a business on the internet using AI. They're not looking at that stuff, but you are. So I congratulate you. And I want to let you know once again that this is definitely the course for you. So let's keep it going. And by using the techniques in this guide, this course, you can use AI tools to create high quality products and services that you can sell to other people. Let me give you a good example. Okay. So you bought this course from us called the Instant AI Academy Millionaire. Well, we used AI to help us build this course, and we used AI to help us build the product, the videos, everything. And now we were able to turn this course, our product, into money because we understand the value of this course. People really want this course. The demand is very high. So we used AI to, and we made it help us. We basically use AI to serve us so we can create valuable products on the internet and services, and then we sell those to other people. Hence, that you are in this course with me right now. And you are an example of someone that is interested in this type of information. So you should also be the person to monetize this information. Wouldn't you agree? Just think about this for a quick second, okay? So I'm currently in the country of Panama, and I'm on the beach right now. I'm in a penthouse on the beach, and I actually bought this place. But the way that I got myself here was the use of AI and the internet. So now you're learning from me, meaning you are now going to position yourself to start earning more money, to get so financially ahead that you can start to travel the world, that you can start living a more freedom lifestyle. You can have time freedom, vacation freedom, you can have location freedom, you can have financial freedom. All of these freedoms come when you understand AI and when you start to apply what you're learning in this course. Make sense? So we have worked hard and diligently to provide you with everything that you need to know to successfully create a profitable online business using AI. So I'm confident that you in this course, when you finish it, of course, you have to finish the course. Don't get it twisted thinking, okay, you watched a video, now you're an AI expert, and now you're going to just make millions of dollars. Well, hold on. Okay, hold on. First, you need to finish the course entirely. Okay. When you finish the course with me, there's other people in the course that are going to help teach you also, not just me, but there's a bunch of us. But when you finish the course, then you are going to be equipped with all of the skills, the tools, the everything you need to start using AI to make money on the internet. All right. So with that being said, that was my little quick spiel. I wanted to share that with you. I'll see you in the next one. All right.